From Bourbon to the Kentucky Derby, there is no question that Louisville is a legendary American city. We at the Galt House believe this city needs a legendary hotel. The Galt House Hotel has been the center of activity in downtown Louisville for over 40 years. In 2017, the Galt House announced an $80 million reimagining that will change the face of hospitality in Louisville. The new Galt House recognizes its status as the official hotel of the Kentucky Derby and Churchill Downs. The new branding takes its inspiration from the colors of jockeys' riding silks. Bold, exciting, and classically appealing, the Galt House new brand tells the story of an iconic hotel, a hotel that is the place to be during America's longest-running sporting event. The Galt House is Louisville's only riverfront hotel with a large footprint on Main Street and two towers that house over 1,300 guest rooms and residences. An outdoor veranda will be added to the East Tower as part of the renovation. The veranda runs along large windows from the lobby, giving the impression of an indoor-outdoor space that flows. The veranda offers guests fair-weather people-watching and locals a place to gather. Coupled with new dining options in the East Tower lobby, the Galt House veranda will be a comfortable and attractive respite for a downtown visitor. Gradated wooden slats provide shade and allow enough light and warmth in to create a relaxing and pleasant outdoor space. The veranda will extend over the East Tower lobby entrance to provide arriving guests shade and a more welcoming first impression. Speaking of first impressions, let's move into the East Tower lobby. The reimagining of the new Galt House East Tower lobby begins at check-in, with updated finishes and lighting. Natural woods and quartz, combined with modern lighting concepts, will greet guests with a warm, elegant setting. New seating in the lobby will allow groups to claim a cozy nook for a casual meetup or gather at a community table to plan their convention day. The open floor plan will give the feeling of space and freedom, while the soft furnishings will create spaces that are inviting. In the center of the space, a horseshoe bar will offer beverage service and help set the atmosphere in the heart of the urban Bourbon Trail. Our renovated suites are where modern comfort meets Kentucky character. The soft furnishings, including a high-back chair, designed throw pillows, and local artwork, make this sitting room feel like a well-appointed home. The wet bar, with a gilded, modern, framed mirror, gives guests an extra place to get ready or host visitors during a hotel-wide conference. The new restroom design makes the most of the space with simple elegance. Just outside the restroom door is a vanity with perfect lighting. The Galt House Hotel West Tower lobby facelift will be a counter-design to the light and open East Tower lobby. The West Tower lobby will use natural woods and rich colors to create a chic space that is upscale. This design concept will continue upstairs at Jockey Silk's Bourbon Bar. Natural wall textures and dark wood finishes create an atmosphere of storytelling by the fire and complement the warm feeling of sipping on a fine bourbon. The Jockey Silk space is approachable for both bourbon beginners and aficionados looking to show off their city's gold. High-back chairs give a sense of privacy in an open floor plan. Velvet bar stools and soft furnishing give the space old-world appeal and a feeling of luxury. And of course, a place to keep track of the races. The brasserie will take over what is currently known as the Fountain Room. This space will be reimagined in a country kitchen style that is the best of both French provincial and modern country design concepts. Light wall coverings, including white tile, combined with Moroccan tiled floors, will make this space a sought-after location for weddings and dining events. Along with our dining options getting a makeover, our meeting spaces will be benefiting from new carpet and lighting designs. These changes will give each space a modern feel that enhances event experiences for guests. The Galt House Hotel West Tower reimagined guest rooms are designed for convenience, comfort, functionality, and unique character. But rest assured that guests' needs are dictating every design decision. All guest rooms, including the East Tower suites, will have new mattresses designed exclusively for the Galt House. The addition of curated artwork from local personalities helps guests feel the spirit of the city even if their stay is short. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the new Galt House Hotel. Are you ready to book your event where legends begin?